Most people think you need to be rich to start investing. But what if I told you that belief is actually what keeps you poor? Today, I'm going to show you how regular people, just like you, can start building real wealth with a few simple habits. Stick around, because the last habit might surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll see why the richest people don't rely on luck. They rely on systems you can copy, starting today. Most people wait to have extra money before investing. Wealthy people automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck to a separate account or investment platform. Even $50 to $100 a week adds up over time thanks to compounding. Imagine if you saved $100 every week for 10 years, assuming a modest 7% annual return. It grows into over $80,000 without you thinking about it. But saving alone isn't enough. There's a second habit that multiplies your money faster than you think. You don't need thousands to invest. You can start with spare change. Use apps that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Or start with as little as $5 to $10 per week in index funds or ETFs. Spending $5 on coffee, round it up to $7 and invest the extra $2. Over months and years, those tiny amounts can grow surprisingly fast. But even micro-investing won't maximize your growth if you ignore the third habit. This one is about mindset. Most people see money as something to spend immediately. Wealthy people treat it as a tool to build more. Before making any purchase, ask, will this move me closer to wealth, or just give me temporary happiness? Small shifts in thinking compound over years into huge advantages. Instead of buying the latest gadget, invest that $500 and let it grow. But there's a simple system that makes all three of these habits work together. And it's easier than you think. You don't need a massive income. Consistent small investments beat sporadic big ones. Pick a percentage of your income, start with 1 to 5%, and invest consistently. This habit means your investments will grow as your income grows. Over time, it compounds and grows far beyond sporadic large amounts. Investing $50 per month may not seem like much, but in 20 years, it could grow into tens of thousands. And finally, there's a simple habit that ties everything together and helps you avoid the mistakes that trap most people in financial mediocrity. The biggest difference between wealthy investors and everyone else is knowledge, not luck. Spend 10 minutes a day reading, listening, or watching financial content. Focus on investing, compounding, and simple wealth-building strategies. If you invest just 10 minutes daily, over a year, you'll have 60+ hours of knowledge, more than many people spend learning in their entire lives. These 5 habits are simple, but they're incredibly powerful. And the truth is, anyone can start today. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. You just need to start. By making even one of these changes today, you will see your financial journey take a turn for the better. But there are plenty of habits out there that can harm your financial journey. Many of these have been designed to look like they can help you. Check out this video here to learn more about these financial drains.